Audio is very important, no matter if you use it for music, calls, audiobooks, podcasts, or even on-the-go gaming. And we know how important a good price tag is as well. It can be difficult to find quality products that are reasonably priced, but we believe that these earbuds might just fit into that category. These are the TOZO NC20 Pro earbuds, sent to us from TOZO themselves for us to review. Thank you to TOZO for sponsoring today's video. We have tested several other TOZO products before and have consistently been impressed with the level of quality that are in them compared to the price point, which tend to be significantly lower from bigger name brands offering similar functions. And these new NC20 Pros are no difference. They go for around $80, but can be found on sale for around $60. That is a lot lower than, say, Apple AirPod Pros that go for over $200 even when on sale. So, price aside, what is so good about these earbuds? Well, first of all, the noise cancelling. They feature adaptive hybrid active noise cancelling, which can reduce the external noise by up to negative 52 decibel, with real-time noise monitoring and smart adjustments. Personally, I don't think I can go back to a pair of earbuds or even a headset that does not have noise cancelling. It is simply that necessary to have, in my opinion. It can drastically increase your focus to what you're listening to, yes, but for me, it's the fact that it takes away all the buzz around you, saving your head from getting tired from all the extra background noise. My favorite place to wear these are when traveling, especially by plane, as there are so many noises like these in public areas, but especially in the plane or airport itself. But even then, being able to zone out and focus, no matter where you are, is a huge bonus. It's unusual to find such good noise cancellation in earbuds at this price point, so it's a great choice for a more budget-friendly option. Oh, and they also have mic noise reduction to help make sure your call is coming through cleanly, even when in a louder environment, be that a crowded place or even just the wind. Another thing we really like about these earbuds is, of course, the audio quality. This is thanks to their high-res audio LDAC codec and immersive spatial audio features, giving you studio-level sound up to 24-bit at 96 kHz. Another aspect that helps the sound quality is their 12mm dynamic driver with DLC diaphragm, which enhances the bass and enabling it to reach as low as 15 Hz. Now, we're no audiophiles, but we tend to listen to either music, podcasts, or audiobooks for the most of the day while we work, so we are used to typical consumer quality. And these hold up to that, and at a fraction of the price. They don't do it perfectly, and there's definitely higher quality options out there, but we believe it is enough to be worth the price, which again is very low for the quality and features you get. Thankfully, you won't have to charge them super frequently either, thanks to them being able to give you up to 80 hours of total playtime, depending on how you use them. The earbuds themselves can give you up to 30 hours of listening time without active noise cancelling, or 28 hours with it turned on, and then the case can give you another 34 to 50 hours depending on if you have active noise cancelling on or off. That is more than enough, and they're even easy to charge with its USB-C fast charging and wireless charging options. Now, you've probably seen something that's different on these compared to others, and that is the fact that they have an LCD smart screen on the front of the charging case. This isn't just to let you see the time or a battery level, though that's useful. No. It's also a touchscreen with many more features. It, for example, lets you change the EQ and sound effects, change between noise cancelling modes, answer calls, and control your playback. It's really cool to see this type of detail into the charging case, and we really appreciate that. But the question is, how often would you use the case instead of just your phone? Do let us know in the comments if you like this feature, or would rather just use your phone for these settings. Thankfully, speaking of using your phone, pairing it with the earbuds is easy. One step actually. Just open the charging case and they will connect instantly after initial setup. They also have in-ear detection, so your audio will automatically play and pause when you insert or remove the earbud. You can also have them connected to two devices at once, which is useful if you're, for example, got them connected on your PC for music and someone calls your phone. Overall, the NC20 Pro from TOZO has a lot of features higher end models have, all for a more budget-friendly price. You can find a link to them in the description below for more detailed info, as well as where to buy them. Thank you again to TOZO for sponsoring this video and letting us review these new earbuds. And thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these in the future. We focus on tech reviews as well as gaming setups, and would love for you to stick around. You can also leave us a comment below, letting us know your thoughts on these earbuds or requests on other products that we should check out in a future video. If you're curious about what products we use on the daily or in our setups in general, you can find them on our website, CamXPetra.com, or by going to the link in the description. We also post daily short-form content to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram at CamXPetra if you want even more content right away. Thanks again for watching. Bye.